Probably Friday. That hurt? Such language.
Just got those earbuds too.
What happened?
I lost them.
Were they expensive?
No, but still.
I know.
Those are my earbuds. And the packaging on. The other two, they were broken in the package.
I know. Good.
When you sign your contract to be a teacher, what is your time you're supposed to be here?
9 months.
No, like time in the morning. Like what time
Oh,
you show up?
I think it's 8:15.
Okay. Because there's a teacher down here that doesn't ever show up until like now.
If they got first period off, like planning period.
No. There's like students outside the door that are trying to get in with the doors.
Wait, is it 124?
It's the one down here.
By contract, we have to be here by 8:15.
They also have to have 2 grades in a week, right?
Not necessarily anymore because of that standards-based grading thing.
Oh, it's flexible.
Yeah, it's that needs to be updated.
Is there anything in your contract that if you violate, you just get fired? Other than like penalties.
That's the same reaction the Hollies gave me. That's the exact same. I
It was just strange seeing you here. It's been a while. I thought you were going to go to night school or something. What? Huh? Oh, you want me to go over it? Open circles means parentheses. So the domain, I'm looking at the x values. So it starts, remember, it's got to be smallest to greatest. Okay, so the smallest x value is -5, but because it's an open circle, it's a parenthesis. And then it goes to -2 with an open circle, so parentheses. Then the least y value is -4, and the highest y value is 4. Both are parentheses because they're open circles. Okay, number 3. The least x value is -4 as an open circle, so it's a parenthesis. The largest x value goes on to infinity, and infinity always gets parentheses. The least y value is -1 with an open circle, so it's a parenthesis because that's the least y value. And then it goes up to infinity. The least x value, it goes on to negative infinity because there's an arrowhead going that way. And then the most x, largest x is 3, and it includes 3, so it's a bracket. The least y value, negative 2, bracket because it's a closed circle. And then it goes up to positive infinity, always parenthesis. X values. Okay, so here's my graph. Okay. The least, now, I'm looking at the domain. The least x value stops right here. So it's negative 4. But because that's an open circle, parenthesis, okay, then my largest x value is 3. Closed circle, so it's a bracket. Then I look at your y-axis. So I'm coming from negative infinity, and it starts at negative 5. It's an open circle, parenthesis, and then the highest is 2, and it includes that point 2. So it's a bracket. So that's all I do here. Smallest x value, closed, and then infinity. Smallest y value, 0, 0. Starts at my y value, 0. Closed circle, bracket, and goes up to Hey Kylie, how's it going? See, domain, least x value, negative 5, bracket. Huh? Guys, quiet down so people can hear me. The least x value was negative 5, and then it ends at 4. Includes 4 because it's a closed circle. Then the least y value starts at negative 3, right? Includes negative 3, so it's a bracket. And then the highest one is positive 3, bracket. Least x value, well, there's an arrowhead here, so it's going to go all the way to negative infinity. But it's going to end here at x equals 0. Includes 0. Then the least y value, I'm coming up this way, negative 3, be careful. And the highest point, well, it goes on forever. Positive infinity. Friday, maybe Thursday. See how things go. This one's easy. Okay?